In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Docusign documents with conditional sections. We'll break down each step to ensure you have a clear understanding of how to effectively use this powerful feature. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by heading over to the Docusign website. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Docusign's homepage. Now, if you're not already signed in, you'll want to locate the login button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials, so go ahead and do that. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage, the central hub where all your e-signature needs are just a few clicks away. Now look towards the top of the screen for the option to switch to the Docusign Applications menu, where you can access various features. What you're going to do next is select a template. Templates are incredibly useful because they can save you time and ensure consistency across your documents. If you've already created a template previously, you can select it here, but if it's your first time, you might want to start with a basic template and modify it according to your needs. Once you've chosen your template, the next step is to start adding the necessary details to your document. Here, you'll typically fill in fields like the names, emails, and roles of the recipients. Take a moment to double check this information, as accuracy is key to a smooth signing process. Once everything's in place, click Next to proceed. Now we're getting to the heart of our task, adding conditional sections. You'll find a tab labeled Formula, which is your gateway to creating conditions. Click on it. This will make certain parts of your document only visible under specific circumstances, allowing for a cleaner, more streamlined document. After selecting Formula, you'll see an option for conditional fields. Go ahead and click on that. This feature allows you to specify when certain fields in your document will appear based on the inputs or selections made elsewhere. Finally, you'll need to create a rule. Click on the Create Rule button, which lets you define the logic for these conditional fields. This could be as simple or as complex as you need it to be, depending on the specific requirements of your document. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently create Docusign documents that adjust dynamically based on the conditions you set. This ensures your document is not only professional, but also tailored to each unique situation. Remember, take your time to experiment with these features and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for tuning in, and happy document signing.